That's it.
Hello guys, my name is Shaoxuan Zhentao. Today, first I wanna introduce a friend here. Hello. Yeah. She name is Boa, and my topic is about her. And today I wanna say to share my experience about what should you do when you have a new kitten. So for me, when I bought the kitten, the first thing that I do is give her enough bath, because the kitten maybe was leaving the dirty place, so a lot of dirty things is on her body. So that enough bath will help her to clean the some dangerous things such as the fleas or ticks or fleas eggs. And this is the first thing that you need to do. And for second important things, you need to bring her to see a doctor as soon as possible, because you just make sure his body, his outside is safe, but you don't know what's happening in her inside. Then the doctor will help you. So when I went to the animal clinic, the doctor told me the new kitten need 5 shots, and also the doctor will give you a green card for the pet, and it will tell you when you should go to a hospital to take the next shot. It's totally is about 2 months, each two weeks, the new kitten will get the 1 shot. Usually spend a lot of money. Totally for the shot, I spent about $400. And after you finish the hospital part, now you can make sure the cat is very clean, very safe. Third things you need to very pay attention is her normal life, such as her bed. Her bed need clean every month, because some small fleas maybe will live in her bed. And for the food, is very important for cat. You cannot mix 2 different food together, because the cat hates that. And also the water, that you just need to feed her water, and cold fresh is the best. And for the play part, cat is very love the small ball, ping pong ball, and the line with some toys. Those are cat favorite, and you need to pay attention very well. So if you done well those 3 things, I'm sure your cat will have a good life with you. So thank you for watching.